Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Enhanced humidity throughout a 753 square feet room with both warm and cool mist 4. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Use the VE Sync app to monitor humidity, as well as set schedules and timers. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Efficient, even humidification with both warm and cool mist. Consistent room humidity. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.